Hello, I'm Desmond Saunders Jr., Community Tourism Manager at TPDCo. We're currently here in Treasure Beach to install caution and no swimming signs to sensitize residents and visitors on areas that they need to exercise some amount of caution and areas that are not safe to swim.
Signs were erected as a result of the recent joining events. We have had several of here in the past few years, so we have decided just to inform the users of which about the conditions of the water and how they can be careful in utilizing the space. So we have decided with the local stakeholders to erect some signs just to inform the users of the beach so they can be a safer space for them.
Because what people don't understand is that every beach has a different characteristic of how the tides run and how the pull, the undertow goes.
We love people, right? And to see a body pull up on the shore is the hardest thing. And see loved one crying and mourning for their loved one, it's never. You know, I've seen so many people have tried their best and give mouth-to-mouth CPR, trying their best to save someone's life. You know, we have done it here as a community. We care about people. And you know, the signs now that are now in place, and I want to give you guys credit, because this is a big move and this is something that we really appreciate as a community. And what I'm asking visitors for is just to read sign when you come here, observe the condition of the water, ask questions from the locals, and please listen to the locals. When we speak because we care.
We're happy and we believe that this will go a far way in raising the awareness and lowering the amount of persons who drown in Treasure Beach.
As part of a collaborative effort led by the Tourism Product Development Company Limited, TPDCo, these signs aim to enhance safety and promote responsible tourism practices in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. The 11 caution signs were installed in the following areas: Great Bay, Old Wharf Beach, Calabash Bay Eastern, Frenchman Bay, Billy's Bay, and Fort Charles, while the 7 danger or no swimming signs were installed in Tranquility Bay, Calabash Bay Western, John Rock's Point, and Ponty Hole.